Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I am Deva Negara from Sociology Class B. Will retell a film that I really like. The title is Angel Beast. The story begins. A boy named Otonashi Yezuru wakes up at a school that is fighting Tenshi. Tenshi is an angel. Uh, Nakamura Yuri is one of the students who is dealing with Tenshi. At the time, Otonashi said he did not believe Yuri. He saw the Tenshi and approached him. When approached him, he asked Tenshi, "Why are they trying to kill you?" Tenshi replies, "Even if we die, we will also live again." Otonashi would believe it feels something strange from their conversation. Suddenly, Tenshi stabbed Otonashi. When Otonashi realized he was suddenly in the hospital, he remembered that he was stabbed and had a lot of blood on his body. When he realized he was given direction to enter the room where there was a group called Shinra Tamaruka Sensen, who was tasked with killing Tenshi. There is Yuri, who is the leader, and Yuri introduced the member, namely Hinata, Matsuhita, Oyama, TK, Takamatsu, Fujimata, Noda, Shina, and Iwasawa. Yuri explained that they are people who have died and are in this place, and their only job is to kill Tenshi. The next day, Yuri gave them a mission. Their mission name was Tornado Operation. Her job Shina will distract Tenshi and others to halt Tenshi from entering the hall. After the mission, Otonashi felt something strange about Tenshi. He asked if Tenshi was a person who had died and come back to life in this world. Later, Tenshi was defeated and they withdrew from the operation. When they finished the mission, they eat in the canteen and celebrate in the success their operation. The next day, Otonashi saw Girl Dead Monster, which is the division team making a song. At the time, Iwasawa told Otonashi about his life before he died. After hearing that, Otonashi said that Shina should be proud of her song. Iwasawa cried and disappeared. Upon hearing the news, Yuri received a new clue that they were black life to improve their life before they died. At the time, they got a mission to retrieve weapon equipment in the hideout of their aliens. At the time, one by one of them died, leaving Yuri and Otonashi. When they reached the aliens state, they were attacked by Tenshi, and Yuri ordered them to destroy the place. After that, they fled from the place. When they success, everyone who dies return to life had go. Girls Dead Monster is a division term that doesn't have a vocalist because Iwasawa has left quietly. There is a girl named Yui who wants to join GDM. At the time, Yuri wanted to destroy Densi server and change the Densi system. Yuri wanted to demote the Densi student council president. The plan worked, and the one who became the student council president was the former student council vice president. He has hypnosis that can beat Otonashi friend. When Otonashi and Tenshi were impersoned by Naoi, the new student council president, Naoi confronted Shinda Tamaruka Sensen troops and defeated them all. Tenshi telling that he is a person who has died too, and his name is Tachibana Kanade. Actually, Yuri and Kanade plan to make this world more interesting. Otonashi, who heard that, wanted to make them live in peace when dealing with Naui, and changed Naui for the better. At the time, Naui realized and regret everything he had done. Otonashi was crying and happy when he passed out. Otonashi had a dream about him before he died. He had a younger brother, one to make them to Christmas Eve. At the time, his sister had a rare disease, and Otonashi worked classes to earn money and goes to higher school. When she went for a test, she had an accident, and she was the one who helped them also for weeks. She was them one of helping the fix them. There until the end of her life, she wanted to donate her heart to someone else. After that, he woke up and remembered that Kanade was the recipient of his donor heart. After that, he wanted to carry Yuri in peace. While he was still alive, Yui had a paralytic disease. At the time, Otonashi helped Yui to live, and Hinata helped Otonashi to marry Yui. And Yui left quietly. At that time, Shinda Tamaruga Sensei wanted to disappear. They were taught to go quietly, and they obeyed. The last time, Kanade wanted to carry out of the farewell ceremony. Yuri, Hinata, Naomi, and Otonashi helped him. One by one, they left, and Kanade wanted to live by thanking Otonashi for donation his heart. That's story of the angel beast. Thank you. Thank you and goodbye.
センスいいや100遍次よりっぺを侮辱したらまた舞うことになるぞ。
じゃあ最後、神についてだ。存在するのか？
私は信じるわ。まだ見たことはないけど。
天使に聞いてみたことはないのか？
この世界の根幹に関する質問にはノーコメントみたいよ。以上、お勉強会は終了ね。
正直なところ、俺は団結なんかしていない。当たった！そんな、足でよかったのに。